Okay, welcome back again. Now, all of you go to your book and go to page number 206. Page 206. There you will see exercise 11b. Now, this is in continuation of the topic that we are learning, pattern. Okay, so we have one such example over here. Now, as you can see here, I have drawn here matchsticks in your book. Also, you can see 4 matchsticks, 1 square. 8 matchsticks, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 matchsticks, 2 squares. Similarly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 matchsticks, and how many squares we have? 3 squares. So, what will be if I use more matchsticks? 16 matchsticks, then how many squares I can make? So, that is given here in the table. See? For 1 square, 4 matchsticks. For 1 square, 4 matchsticks. 1, 2, 3, 4. For 2 squares, we have here 2 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 matchsticks. For 3 squares, we have 12 matchsticks. So, how many will be there for? You can see in your book, it's given blank. I have actually solved and filled this table. But in your book, you will see this one, and this one is empty. We have to actually calculate how many matchsticks we will need. So let me also do the same. Without actually counting with finger, we have to calculate how many matchsticks will be needed. Okay, without counting like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like that, without counting, we have to calculate by using pattern or formula how many matchsticks will be needed. So I hope you have understood the question. Okay? Understanding the question is very important. So for making 1 square, 4 matchsticks are needed. So if I have to make a pattern, I would say, okay, you have there in the book, a clue is given, 4 into is given. Okay, 4 into is given. So what will be here? I would say the number of squares will be here. In this case, number of squares is 1, so 1 will be there. Okay, 1 will be there. So calculate now how many matchsticks will be there. 4 into 1, that is 4. 4 matchsticks will be there. Okay, this we can do by calculating or using pattern. Similarly here, 4 into, see this 4 into is given for all the cases. For 1 square, for 2 squares also, 3 squares also, 4 squares also. 4 is for all of them. 4 into. So 4 into, now how many squares we have to make? 2 squares. So 4 into 2 if you put, then 4 into 2 is 8 matchsticks will be needed. Count. For 2 squares, we have actually 8 matchsticks. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we can find out without actually counting by using pattern. Similarly, for the next diagram here, you have how many squares? 3 squares. So, let me put 4 into 3. So, 4 into 3 is 12. So that means 12 matchsticks will be there in this. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, we have 12 matchsticks. So you can actually find out by pattern also. So next case now, the next case is actually not drawn. The arrow is given. So let me draw it and show you. Four squares. Now I am not going to count, okay? I am not going to count how many matchsticks. Just put this in the formula and let us find out. Then we will count. So we have 4 squares. So now let's put 4 into how many squares? 4. I'm not going to count now. I'll first calculate and then we will count. So 4 into 4 is 16. So how many max should be there in these 4 squares? 16. Okay, now let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh yes, we get 16 matrices. So see, without counting also you can calculate by using pattern method. Okay, just you have to identify which pattern you are going to use. If you know the pattern once, then how many matrices will be there you can actually calculate, not count. Not count like this, but calculate like I have done in this. Okay, there is a second part to it also. This was the first part of question number 5. Now in the second part it says, how many matrices are needed to make a group of first one? Okay, the second part. So first one, 20 squares. Now for 20 squares, like here we have 4 squares, here we have 3, 2, 1. How many matrices will be needed if I make 20 squares? That's the question. So just like here, 4 was in the beginning. So here also. I am going to write here also 4. 4 into. See, in all these cases, 4 into, 4 into, 4 into, 4 into. So here also let me write 4 into. That's the pattern. Okay, so now how many squares we have? 20. So 4 into 20. Like here also you see, how many squares we had, that we multiplied with 4. How many squares we had? 3. That we multiplied with 4. So similarly here also we have 20 squares. So that will be multiplied with 4. So how many matrices will be needed? 80 matrices will be needed to make 20 squares. Now second part is there. 75 squares. Now if I have to make 75 squares, is it possible for me to make all these 75 squares? Like I have drawn here, no? It takes so long time. So no need to do that and count. We can use by pattern method. So for making 75 squares, we can same formula, same pattern. 4 into will be there in the beginning. And how many squares we have to make? 75. So number of matrices. Number of matrices is 300. Okay. So I hope you have understood now. Now patterns vary from question to question. For this particular question, this was the pattern. For some other question, some other pattern will be there. So there is no universal pattern. Okay, there is no one pattern for all questions.